Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change your date of birth on TikTok. But sometime you will face a issue of region that you can't change. So I will show you how you can do it. So you have to simply log into your account and go to three lines in the top right corner and go to settings and privacy. Go to accounts. And there you will see on the top account information. Click on that and then you will comes in this section. You will see account region is Pakistan, so you can't be able to change your date of birth because of my region is not suitable. So whenever I click on date of birth to edit it, so you will see this pop-ups over here like unable to edit date of birth. For that, if you are facing this issue, this required to provide your date of birth in order to use TikTok in your region. So if you are connected with blocked or not on TikTok server, so you will face this issue if you use VPN to get this option enabled. So you have to connect with the VPN or to change your IP address or like that. So then you will get to change or edit this. You have to simply change your VPN or like that, and then you have to simply come back over here and then click on date of birth and then change this from here, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.